Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Krista from Plant Lux, and I am so glad that you joined me today, and I want to show you how to make this really awesome, fun plant hanger. Got lots of different asymmetry going on here. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think counts, 7 count plants. And it's not that long, but it's kind of a fun little DIY project that I wanted to share with you because I'm super excited about it. It's really fun, and I love the aesthetic look of it, and I think you will too. So if you would like to see how to make this awesome plant hanger, watch the video. And while you're at it, please subscribe to my channel. Yay! And give me a good thumbs up if you like this video. Please do that. It really does help if you watch the video the whole way through, and obviously if you subscribe. And I really appreciate your support during our plant journeys together. So come join me in our plant adventures, and let's make some fun plant stuff. Come join me. I think like pliers or something, like turn it. That hurts your hand. Like, it's like crooked. So bad. That's such a huge hole. In order to have like an equilibrium, or whatever the technical term is, I don't know, but like, you know, to make the wood be balanced on the beam, like when it hangs up here, you should put a knot at the top, probably not here and a knot here. It doesn't have to be like perfect. Like it can have space for where the wood's gonna be, but we want to measure it so that way we have an identical one of these on the other side. That way it doesn't hang unevenly. So we're going to measure this perfectly with this. That way we have the same exact result. And then it'll hang more aesthetically pleasing. So let's see here. I'm going to lay this on the floor actually. So what you didn't see is that when we did this, we put this on a, well, we actually held it, to be honest, and we pulled taut to make sure that there was tension on all the nodes. Yes, these are nodes. No, they're not nodes. But all the knots, we made sure there was tension on them. That way when we hung the wood on it and all the plants, that it wouldn't be wonky or imbalanced. So we put tension on it. We made sure that all the knots were lined up. That way when it hangs, it's aesthetically pleasing and parallel. So let's see how it turned out. We've got our recycled dowel rod. My daughter took her pothos off the pole, and we are recycling the pole. You know. There's a couple different ways that you could decide that you want to hang your plants on this, because this is a thicker piece of wood, you're probably not going to find a lot of hooks that are going to fit on it because the hook is not going to be large enough. So you're going to want to either have twine or some kind of device that you're hanging from it, because look, it's not going to fit. See? So we're going to use twine because that's sort of the aesthetic that we're going for here. Whiskey. Hi. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing that we did when we made these evenly. We want to vary the length of the plants, so we're going to make them in varying lengths. It's not rocket science, it's super easy. You could get fancy and do a whole bunch of macrame with this if you wanted to, but really we're just going for a simple aesthetic. So, you know, we're just going to play it by ear. Twine's cheap. Whatever. Yay, we made a, yeah. So we decided to put it up a little higher and double knot up here. And we figured that this was just a little too much, so we're just going to go ahead and trim these up like so. Because that is more aesthetically pleasing without like too much dangly stuff. So you know, you can switch out your plants to whatever fits the aesthetic that you're going for. You could switch out these plastic hanger things for maybe silver or whatever. It's up to you, but looks pretty cool, kind of like a rustic look, and that's what we like. If you wanted thicker rope up here, it looks good though, doesn't it? Fun project, quick and easy. You could totally do it in maybe less than an hour. Okay, thanks guys.